there, Adam. So let's take a look. So on this first one, I agree with your no, but you said because the 30 and 50 do not equal 100. I think you're maybe mixed up when we were looking at side lengths. So I'm going to write your reason is not correct. We were looking at side lengths and you had the two smaller sides to see if it equals the bigger side. But these aren't side lengths. These are degrees within the triangle. So the reason why it's no is because the sides can be different lengths. And here's what I mean by that. So I'm going to draw a little picture down here. We draw a triangle, and that triangle has degrees of 100, 30, and 50 degrees. Now, if this were unique, I couldn't draw this any other way, but I could do a scaled copy of this triangle that's bigger with the same degrees. And that shows that it is not a unique triangle. On the second problem, I think you might have mixed up parallel to the base. Parallel to the base means that it's actually going in the same direction as the base. If you were thinking perpendicular, then that would have been the triangle. It would have caused a triangle. But what parallel to the base would have looked like this. It would have created this square halfway up, and you'll notice that this square is the same as the square down there, just smaller. So that would be letter A. On to the next page. So you had to find the area of the base times the height. Now I see you did 6 times 5 here. 5 is not the height of this triangle. The height of the triangle forms a right angle with the base. So the base is 6 centimeters. The height is 4 centimeters. These two form a right angle together. So instead of 6 times 5, it should have been 6 times 4 equals 24. Divided by 2 gives you 12. And then it would be 12 times 10 equals 120 centimeters cubed. Now I think that's going to mess you up down here as well. Your 60 and 100 are correct, but this should have been 6 times 4 equals 24, divided by 2 equals 12. And then since there are two triangles, that's something you didn't do here, is multiply that by 2, which equals 24. So I'm going to get rid of that 30. 24 plus 60 plus 100 gives you 184 centimeters squared. So it looks like you had some difficulty on this. If after watching the video you know what you did wrong, you should take the retake. Otherwise, ask for some help and then take the retake.